Let me zoom in first just to...
I gotta try.
Look at me.
Out of the way, honey.
Look at me. Wave. Just hey to mom and daddy and grandmama.
Say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, grandmama.
Hi, Grandma.
Okay.
Amy.
Here, I'm gonna have to get closer to her. Somebody else is gonna have to do this. Tristan. Hold Bailey.
All right, what am I doing?
Just keep it focused on her.
And what do I have to push anything?
Nope, it's running.
At least I'm next.
Hey, see this tree right here? See this tree right here? That's what we're aiming for, okay? Okay, push the right joystick to the right. To the right. To the right. Oh. Push the left joystick to the right. Push the left joystick to the left. Right joystick, left joystick. Okay, push it to the right.
Whoa.
Okay, I don't really trust Hayley with this.
Hey, this is the first time ever she's learning.
At least I'm going
You're
next.
touching around the two joysticks. Okay? Bring it back to your right.
Hey, look, a bullet
Now bring
train.
it back to your left. Bring it back to your left. Okay, now the right joystick is in out here. Push it out. Wait for it. Right now, bring it back up. Okay, take the left joystick and push it out.
Feeling no.
A little more. Okay. A little more. Okay, now, what I want you to do is take the left joystick, push it to the right. Stop. A little more. A little more. Push it forward. Wait. I can't do it. Take the right joystick, push it forward. Right, whoop. Now take the left joystick and bring it back. Whoop. Okay, now, toggle switch, toggle left. Toggle left to left. Right, whoop. Yeah, hit this enough. Hit the right enough. Yeah. Right. A little more. Okay. Left joystick back to the left. Go good. Alright, stop. Right there. Okay, now toggle.
Hayley.
Toggle on the left side. Push the left side with you. Alright, down. Right joystick, push to the left. Alright, stop. Now pick up on the right joystick.
Way to go, Hayley.
Check it out.
My turn.
Now take the right joystick, push it to the right. Alright.
Way to go, Hayley.
Okay, step down. Step down. Okay, Tristan, get Hayley.
Hayley.